Okay, the big pot. So what are we going to do with this pot? The Ficus Nana.
Sabi mo bagay siya.
Oo nga. So, what are we going to do?
Ito natin siya i-bonsai.
Okay, if you guys haven't been following us, you see that plant over there? There? That's a Ficus Nana. And we're going to repot that into this pot. So it's going to be trained as a cascading bonsai. So it's going to be positioned right over here, and okay, and eventually it will form branches that will cascade down this pot. A cascading bonsai.
Ano kaya siya kalalim?
So this is a very nice Ficus Nana because it's fruit bearing. See, it's got figs. It's got pink figs.
Puro ipa.
Hey, this is chili, right?
Kaalim mo?
Chili.
Chili yan?
Looks like chili.
Chili. Save natin si chili.
Let's save that chili. Lots of roots.
Ano ba?
Yeah. More soil. You need more soil.
Sa position niya, yan.
Can't sit here, don't have any space. It's supposed to be cascading, so has to lean towards the side. So since the branches are already going in this direction, it has to lean towards this side. Like that. Yeah, like that. So you will train the branches, the new branches, to go down here for a cascading style. I'm not claiming to be an expert, but I did attend a bonsai seminar for I think 2 weeks or maybe 4 weeks. I don't remember because it was decades ago. So I've learned a thing or two. But if you guys know, if you guys can tell us if we're doing the right thing or not, we are open to your suggestions.
Ganyan?
Yes, something like that. Raise it a bit more so that the roots will be exposed. And you need to expose the roots. Yes. Expose the roots. There you go. That's it.
Ganyan.
Yes.
So the lupa is enough?
Add more soil. You need to add more.
Mambod.
Has to form a mound. So the soil has to form a mound.
Pag ganun?
Yes.
Angat?
Yep.
Ganyan?
Yes, yes. But you don't have to worry because in time that soil will be compacted down so it will sink. So you will still need to add more soil at the top.
Pag diniligan ko to,
Yes.
bababa pa to.
Yes. And the roots need to be exposed to a little the base. So it's more aesthetic.
Pero pag diniligan ko nga to, dito pa to.
Right. So it will look like an old tree. Very nice. See, let's take a look at the bonsai. Let's turn it around a bit.
Ano yung white na yan?
I was going to ask you that.
Hindi ko alam eh.
So guys, what are those white things? What are these white things? Are these
Natatanggal
aphids?
siya, oo.
Aphids?
Oo.
Oh no, I think we've got a problem. How do you remove those aphids?
So, linisin ko na lang.
We have an aphid problem.
Siya lang naman. So, siguro dun sa pinaglagyan sa
No,
kanya.
lots of white aphids. If those are really aphids. Yeah, look at that. So guys, do you know what these are and how to get rid of them? Please let us know in the comment section. Yeah,
So, kailangan ko
nasty.
siyang tanggalin.
Yes. So you're going to remove them all one by one? That's a lot of work.
Oh, baka mamatay si plant. Or basahan.
Yes. Or maybe even just spray them with something. Instead of scratching, you might damage the leaves.
Oo nga eh. Kasi masyado siyang madikit.
And you might stress the leaves.
Siguro may pupunas.
And then you're not even sure if you're killing them. You're just dropping them on the soil. They just might come back. So anyway, you will see how this bonsai will progress, for the rest of the, I don't know, maybe 6 months. So the branches we'll be letting the branches here grow and droop down to the side. And we will be, I suppose we'll be wiring these branches to make them look like an old tree, to make this plant look like an old tree. So there you go. Ficus nana. Nana. So what else are you going to do?
Ito, nilipat si rare
Oh yeah.
cotton.
Yeah. I don't think you need to repot it.
Huh? Ito lang siya?
Yeah, I mean you can just
So, ipa to?
it doesn't have any soil. I didn't know
Wala.
that.
Ayan, ang dami ko.
That's
Dahil
it.
dyan sa mga yan, puro ipa sila. Ayan,
Okay.
dami ko ng ipa.
That's okay. You can still use this waste of
Ito pa,
rice hull waste.
galing kinlana. Gagamit pa naman siya.
Yes, yeah. Can use
Kaya
this
matatanda ka
rice hull
na,
waste.
sayang to kung sili nga ito.
Oh, I think that's chili pepper. Yeah.
Oo nga, sili.
Let's see what kind of peppers that is.
Tanim natin.
Okay, so yes.
Pwede ko bang pagsamahin sa isang pot yun?
Are these two? Which ones? Which ones?
Yan. Yan,
This
ito
one?
yung dalawang nasa black pot.
This one and this one?
Hindi.
Yeah, I think they can do that. You can do that.
So, si Lash.
Yeah, you can do it.
Sige?
Yep.
Dito.
In that pot? Sure, why not? By the way, we also have another Ficus nana here.
Wala pa akong pot.
But it has no white things.
Oo, syempre.
It's free
Matay
of-
sila ng pinagkuhanan.
Yeah.
Ito sa Bulacan.
Okay. So I guess that's it for our episode for today. And hello.
Yes, kasi tingnan ko yung ano ko, nilipat ko na rin yung mother plant ko na mayan.
Oh, look at that. Yes, very nice. It's the mother plant we bought from Mercy's Garden. See? Check it out in the previous, no, it's in the other channel. It's in the Argent Rock channel.
Sa botanical ka din.
No, that's not from Botanica. It is?
Botanical.
Oh, sorry. So that's from Botanical Garden. My mistake. So check it out in the episode on our Argent Rock channel. Okay, so this time it's real. This time it's real. That's a song.
It's a song. Okay, thank you for watching my channel, Simpleng Hardin. Please like and subscribe.
And share on Facebook.
And share on Facebook. Always reminding me to share on Facebook.
Yeah, share and share.